more and more session, more and more session like this should be organized by every IMA everywhere in every state and make aware our colleagues, because we are at a very high danger. Surgeons,
and we are highly precious. So we are highly precious person. So we come to this stage after 30 years.
Whatever it is, Mukesh, we have to forget about everything. I have to protect my family and I have to protect my life first. That is the first thing. Next thing is my neighborhood. Then next
Neighbor,
thing. So, if especially for the surgeons, general, we are not much concerned because we are not dealing with too much of blood. We can do clear corneal cataract phaco and come out and try to. We may not have that much infectivity. You may have as a retina surgeon. But the gynecs doing the LSCS or any elective procedure, the general surgeons, orthopedic surgeons, and neurosurgeons, and dentists, and the general practitioners, very high risk, very high risk, and the virus is extremely infectious. It may not be as lethal as SARS-CoV, because in that the lethal mortality was 33%. Here the mortality is about 7%. In India, the mortality is around 10%. So mortality is not that much, but the infectivity is. And once you get infected, the consequence is that you and your entire family has to quit your house all of a sudden, middle of the night, taking few clothes, leaving your house locked. Whatever cash money or jewelry you have at home will be there, and then you are for 21 days in some government quarantine house.
No, they allow you to have a house quarantine.
No, but if you have a family member positive, then not. I don't know here. If you have...
Bombay, they allow you.
Because I don't
ultimately,
know,
they will have to allow home quarantine, I think.
But then who will supervise? No. Who will supervise that home quarantine?
Because Bombay...
There would be a police outside your home to supervise that you have not come out. You know, it's... Unless, see, my suggestion, I have written this to Prime Minister, that Arogya Setu app must be made absolutely compulsory.
100% compulsory.
The mobile companies should deactivate all the SIM cards, and only those mobiles will run which has Arogya Setu app.
Yes, that's it.
Then that is the only way you know who is having infection or who is coming from containment. At present, it is voluntary. Only 20% of the total Indian population have downloaded Arogya Setu app, which is useless.
Right.
So now what I mean to say is that if you come COVID positive, if single person, you coming to the hospital and you become COVID positive, your entire family suffers. If you are murdered, you only go into jail. But if you have COVID positive, you have not murdered, but your entire family goes into jail for 20 days. Now, out of these 14, 15 people whom they have quarantined, if the second person comes COVID positive after 5 days, then you have to count 21 days from that day.
Yes. The cycle
then if the third person comes positive after 10 days, that means you have to... I have a friend's family whom I said accidentally irradiated his throat and he came home. The 67 person's family had to stay in quarantine for 1 month. Because one by one, they were becoming positive.
Right.
And somehow, luckily, that accidental chance finding could relieve that 67 people. Yesterday, they were all discharged. But so to prevent ourselves from being COVID positive, I'm not talking about the disease, about the lung or pneumonia, whether we die or not. Even if you have mild symptoms, they'll do your swab. If the swab comes positive, you will stop your hospital and you... और जहाँ रखते हैं समरस हॉस्टल में, या तो कोई भी एक सरकार ने जो मकान बनाया है, वहाँ तो यूरोपियन टॉयलेट भी नहीं है और कॉमन बाथरूम में आपने नहाने जाना है.
Yes.
So it's a very painful life sometimes to be in quarantine in a facility which the government provides. The government does its best.
Yes, sir.
Can't we put 2 nm light daily, twice a day in our stomach, in everybody's? Even though 2-3 viruses are there.
I personally feel that when it becomes easily available, it should be once in a week.
No, but with you, it is already there.
I am very sure that see, doing it every day is not necessary, but once in week or once in every 10 days, you get one coronavirus in your nose. the common cold corona, which our immune system usually kills, and we feel little symptoms of sinusitis. लगता है 2 दिन आज अच्छा नहीं, head ये सर दुखता है. हमने तो पेशेंट जो सर खपाने आ जाते हैं, जिसको ऑप्थेल्मिकली अपने को लगता है सब कुछ नॉर्मल है, और बोलती है नहीं यहाँ मुझे दुख रहा है. आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट आई एम गोइंग टू accidentally radiate them also. I cannot intentionally radiate, but accidentally I can.
Remove the corona from the brain.
Yeah.
Sir, Jetwa sir, please
Yes.
give your summary.
One
Yes,
more,
I think
1 minute, sir. There is one more
Yes.
request. Everybody is asking Mr. Raman's phone number because his phone number was not seen on the screen. That Dr. Kakadi has given the number.
I had given. I can.
He gave there was a slide, and if you need the number, I'll give.
Just tell orally, no?
Yes, sir. I'm just
Okay.
getting it.
Dr. Kakade, you can show that slide of the mask, which is developed by your sister, once again, so that those who have not taken a picture, they can take it.
Okay.
If you can find out the slide, it is very
Yes,
useful.
I'm already there at that slide.
Meanwhile, the number of Mr. Raman Bhatia, Delhi, Servotech company is 9810020754. 9810020754. We are not supposed to promote anybody, but this is an essential service, I feel.
People are asking.
Mukesh, everything is fair in love and war, and we are in the war. So whatever
That is why I
thing which can help our colleagues to prevent themselves from infection,
Sure, sir.
we can, pricing they can discuss with them, but we can at least provide the contact that this is the guy who is making. I am ready with my screen for the mask. If I can share the screen.
If you can show the measurements.
Yeah. I will. Am I visible on the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, right. So this is the mask. The measurement of this mask is exactly same as the surgical mask. So you take any disposable surgical mask, take the same measurements, because that has been made by various research by a large number of people. So we just have to copy. We just have to copy the size, making a pocket from top. So, and you can make designer, whatever.
Show the
Can I put instant? Dr. Jetwa, can I put my own? You just stitch 2 surgical mask and keep upper side open, and from upper side you just insert the tissue paper. That's it. You don't need to take any measurement.
Okay. Thank you.
The measurement is, sir, Jetwa sir, measurement is same as the normal surgical mask. Only the cloth is different.
Yes.
Thank
And you can cut the upper portion of the mask of the surgical, because there are 2 layers in it.
No. Again, Mukesh, I am really against the surgical mask now, because the virus can stay there for 7 days, and it's not a good idea to use surgical mask and wash it and then reuse it. We don't know. Sometimes the staff has washed it properly or not properly, and when you wash in a hospital environment, all the staff masks would gather together. Whereas here, what we have done is our staff, everybody has their matching mask, so they are happy every day, and they take the mask there home and they wash at their home. So you don't mingle the mask of the entire staff. So in my opinion, after studying that paper about the stability of the virus on various surfaces, synthetic mask के बजाय cotton mask with this filter paper, disposable
Cellulose
paper in between
paper,
is the best for India.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please
I think now it's a time to summarize the thing.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Audio, yeah,
Now
wonderful.
it's a fantastic, amazing, and speechless, I think, oration by Dr. Kakaria, and of course, very well supported by Dr. Arsisa. And I thank all the viewers and Sipla to arrange such a very needful, innovative, and it's a demand of the time for this such type of oration. Now, looking to the overall take home message is now in this corona, a UV light of the 222 frequency will be very helpful. This is a idea of Dr. Arsisa, is a germination of the idea, and this idea was made into Brahmastra by doing so many experiments by Dr. Kakaria, and he has made a coronash, and it is very, very useful, at least in a few patients. And I hope that whoever is hearing this, any authority will definitely allow, and at least it will save from this very big enemy of any sound is there? Can you mute your
Can you please
Can
mute?
Somebody,
please mute.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please carry on.
So it's a need of the time now, and we can save so many lives, and we can you'll get a jivat dan marse, something like that. To save the life of the people, it's a biggest blessing from the God, and it's a mankind service. And I think not the Nobel Prize, whereas Bhagwan Viman lene tumne har perai jase. I think I'm so much excited, and looking to this, I hope that it should be successful. Now, second topic of maskology was very important. I was also not knowing so many things basic about the mask, and the idea of a simple idea of a tissue paper and pocket mask is very useful. And otherwise, we can also go for a denim mask, which is also a one of the type of the mask.
Right.
And second thing is, we will try to make it corona free, and by this device, and let us have a Navratri Garba without mask and without any corona. And at least we can make a handshake and Sal Mubarak with the shaking the hands if we follow this, if this miracle can work very well. And
Sir,
coming to the idea of a, pardon?
and no, after you finish, I would like to add 1 minute.
Yes. So that was also a good idea. And I like two things very well by Dr. Mukesh, that the idea of a, light where the UV light where there is a suction of the
Air conditioner.
air is there.
Great
It's a beautiful idea, and we can cover this tube light by a simple glass so that it does not expose to the surgeon. So
Right.
that's why I asked the question about the transparency.
yeah, it is in
It's a very good
process.
idea.
Yes.
And
Tomorrow
second
it will
idea
be done.
of having using a solar cooker to cook the coronavirus was a very good idea. And I think the another suggestions which were made by Dr. RC and Dr. Kakaria and Dr. Mukesh, that the Arogya Setu should be must for all the citizen of India. And I think we should make this awareness, especially to our colleagues who are ENT surgeons, orthopedic surgeons, dentists, neurosurgeons. Now look, the scenario is very bad, and you don't take the thing as easy as you are thinking. I think this is a best thing, and I hope that this Brahmastra should work. And thank you all of you, and thanks all the orator and Dr. Mukesh, Jagdeep Kakaria, Dr. Ramesh Shah, and I think Dr. Dholakia and Sipla and all the viewers. I think this is the best thing, a best webinar we have attended, because we can learn so many things from FECCO and IOL, but this is a different webinar and it is helpful to all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Mukesh, I would like to add,
Yes,
right. 2-3 things I would like to add. One is how me and Ramesh named this device as Coronas. दो इसमें दो है कोरोना का नाश
No.
और दूसरा ये कोरोनास मतलब ड्राई इनहेलेशन ऑफ द स्टीम. सो यू आर टेकिंग नास, जो नास से लेते हैं हम,
Yeah.
तो कोरा नास है ये. आप जब बाष्प का नास लेते हैं तो वो बिना नास है, वो नमा नास है, और ये है वो ड्राई है.
Dry
So
nash.
कोरो, हाँ ड्राई नास, राइट. सो कोरोनास, that is one thing. और दूसरा तो वो obvious है, go corona go at 222. If you wish to check whether your glass of the operation theatre window, Dr. Jethro Sahib, is UV transparent or not, the simple test is you take a fluorescent marker like this.
Yeah.
This kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
fluorescent. Then you write something on one paper,
Yeah.
and that paper you keep it on one side of the glass where the UV is, and you keep it on the other side of the glass where the UV is not. So if your glass is UV transparent, the paper will fluoresce on the other side.
Other side, I know.
If the
Simple
paper
test.
doesn't fluoresce on the opposite side, that means there is nothing. I mean, it doesn't allow any UV.
Very simple test.
Very simple. You don't need a meter because meter is very expensive. But this is very simple test with which you can confirm whether your window glass is UV free or not.
Right.
And third thing, I'm remembering your elder brother, sir. All the orthopedic surgeons, unless and until the government allows the COVID testing for the major surgeries, orthopedic surgeons and neurosurgeons should avoid doing the major surgeries either, or they should do it as if they are working in the corona isolation ward. Full PPE with a completely impervious mask and an impervious shield. They really have to take care of themselves very much, because maximum fatality so far amongst our colleagues is amongst the orthopedic surgeons and the general surgeons.
The dental surgeons?
Yeah, for the dental surgeon also, because when you are drilling, you are spraying the water in the mucosa, and that water is churning, and that water is forming the aerosol. And if the patient is having the viruses in their throat, they deglute the throat. Even when they spit on that dental, that small bowl, they are going to leave the virus there. And these viruses, they live for 7 days on glass-like surface. Anything which is smooth, which does not absorb the water from the virus itself, and which does not have the cellulose, the virus can stay alive on synthetic surfaces, like even on mobile, even on anything which is plastic, it can survive 4 or 5 days. So for dentists, they have to put sodium hypochlorite solution in that bowl between every patient. So life is going to be completely changed the way we practice medicine in India till we have the last positive case, zero case in India.
I hope that there will be zero case very soon by your invention.
Thank you, sir. If the government, if Modi Sahib, if Dr. Harshvardhan,
Well, definitely.
if Vijay Rupani ji, if if Patel Sahib, our health minister Gujarat, if somebody allows me, Dr. KJ Upadhyay, I have already talked to him, the chief epidemiologist of Gujarat. If somebody allows me to demonstrate, me and RC, to demonstrate this accidental finding in a methodical study approved by ICMR or approved by the local institutional review board anywhere, because getting that approval individually, with that much paperwork, 400, 500 pages, we cannot do. That much is not our capacity. Even the guideline for preparing that study in itself is 27 big pages. So एक line आप पढ़ के study का format अपने नहीं बने, वो academic institute भी बना सकते.
And also, there is no time right now.
And there is no time. Yeah, there is no time. So if somebody listens to us, we are here with something which can destroy corona in throat within 3 minutes.
Right, sir.
Okay.
And if you get message, you just inform us. Okay.
That we'll all know, sir. Definitely. With you, Dr. Kakadia, sir, we can discuss this all night, and we never want to end it. And this is about 3.5 hours now of absolute knowledge, science, and real practical stuff, what we need today, more than any other thing currently, I think, applicable to everybody, not only for this country, for all over the world. I wish you good luck, sir, and we'll want to stay in touch and hope that it really fructifies into major workable plans for all over the country. Thank you so much,
Thank
everybody.
you. RC wanted, RC, you
Yes,
wanted
sir.
to ask something?
No, I don't want to ask anything.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Jagdeep sir, and all
Some-
of you to have a wonderful webinar like this. I hope we can go ahead to fight against the COVID-19 and we all will succeed in that ultimately, but this device probably will help us to fasten the recovery to all the mankind in this world.
Dr. Kakadia has spoken about two Brahmastras, his UV 222 and also the mask. I consider that also as a Brahmastra.
One
I
of the
think
best.
it-
Okay. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
I think Dr.
Bye-bye.
Kakade, if you
Thank
need
you.
any help from any of us, yeah, we are always welcome.
If any of
Open your
you
mouth.
can get, if any of you can get me and RC a
Approved.
permission to demonstrate 10 patients under the observer of WHO, under the observer of ICMR, under
I'll
the
try.
observer of any government authority, I and he are ready to travel to whatever civil hospital we are called to. We will treat the patient, we'll stay with them for 3 days, and we can guarantee that you give the coronas now and take the swab after 5 minutes, and that swab will come negative in the evening.
Great,
Thank you.
sir. There
Great,
cannot
great.
be a
Just
more
great.
open comment or more open invitation for
It
use
will
of
be
its
a-
services.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you so much.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye
Thank
to
you.
all.
Bye-bye.
We end the webinar.